She's one of the best spikers out there, especially here in the country. And as you guys can see, I had a hard time. But again, it's a team sport. And I heard one of my coaches say na, Jen, kailangan ka namin. So, that parang ang laking bagay niya for me na hindi ako pwedeng mawala sa game. Like, even if napapaluan ako, nakasascorean ako, at the end of the day, importante yung kung paano yung team maglalaro. Diba? It's just 1 point. So, I was happy. Kasi it's my first game playing against Bella. And it's just a different angle to see na, alam mo yun, nasa kabilang court siya. Kasi we're both used to playing with one another, helping each other. So, nakita ko din kung paano siya mag-lead sa kabila. So, nakakatawa.